Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the endless options when it comes to weight loss? You're not alone. The journey to a healthier you can feel like navigating a maze, especially with all the conflicting information out there. But what if I told you that the key to shedding those extra pounds lies in understanding the power of low-calorie foods? Today, we're diving deep into the world of nutrition, exploring the top 10 low-calorie foods that can help you on your weight loss journey. First, let's set the stage by understanding the basics. Every human body has a daily calorie requirement, which varies based on factors like age, gender, weight, and activity level. On average, adult women need about 1,800 to 2,400 calories per day, while men require around 2,200 to 3,000 calories. This is your baseline, the fuel your body needs to function optimally. But here's the catch. If you consume more calories than your body burns, those excess calories are stored as fat. Now let's talk about how our bodies consume these calories. When you eat, your body breaks down food into energy. This energy is used for everything from powering your muscles during a workout to keeping your heart beating while you sleep. But not all calories are created equal. The quality of the food you consume plays a crucial role in your overall health and weight loss journey. This is where low-calorie foods come into play. They allow you to eat more while consuming fewer calories, keeping you satisfied without the guilt. So, what are these magical low-calorie foods? Let's break it down into our top 10 picks, combining both Indian and international options that are not only delicious, but also easy to incorporate into your daily meals. Starting off our list at number 10 is cucumbers. These crunchy, refreshing veggies are composed of about 95% water, making them incredibly low in calories. A whole cucumber has just 16 calories. They're perfect for salads, snacks, or even as a base for dips. Plus, they're packed with vitamins and minerals, making them a great addition to any diet. Coming in at number 9, we have zucchini. This versatile vegetable is not only low in calories, but also rich in antioxidants. One medium zucchini has only about 33 calories. You can spiralize it into noodles, grill it, or add it to stir fries. The possibilities are endless. At number 8, let's talk about cauliflower. This cruciferous vegetable is a fantastic low-calorie substitute for grains and legumes. 1 cup of raw cauliflower has just 25 calories. You can mash it, rice it, or even use it as a pizza crust. It's a great way to enjoy your favorite dishes without the extra calories. Next up at number 7 is spinach. This leafy green is a powerhouse of nutrients and only contains about 7 calories per cup when raw. It's loaded with iron, calcium, and vitamins A and C. Toss it into salads, smoothies, or sauté it with garlic for a delicious side dish. At number 6, we have broccoli. This nutrient-dense vegetable has about 55 calories per cup when cooked. It's high in fiber, which helps keep you full longer. Steam it, roast it, or add it to stir fries for a healthy boost. Halfway through our list, at number 5, is tomatoes. With only 22 calories per medium tomato, they're not only low in calories, but also high in vitamins and antioxidants. Use them in salads, sauces, or simply enjoy them sliced with a sprinkle of salt. And number 4, we have lentils. These legumes are a fantastic source of protein and fiber, with about 230 calories per cooked cup. While they're slightly higher in calories than some of our other options, They're incredibly filling and nutritious, making them a great addition to soups, salads, and curries. Coming in at number 3 is Greek yogurt. This creamy delight is packed with protein and has about 100 calories per 100 grams. It's perfect for breakfast, snacks, or even as a base for smoothies. Choose the unsweetened variety to keep the calorie count low. And number 2, we have chicken breast. Skinless, boneless chicken breast is a lean source of protein with about 165 calories per 100 grams. It's versatile and can be grilled, baked, or added to salads and wraps. Protein is essential for weight loss as it helps build muscle and keeps you feeling full. Finally, at the top of our list, we have watermelon. This juicy fruit is not only refreshing, but also incredibly low in calories, with about 30 calories per 100 grams. It's hydrating and perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth without the guilt. Enjoy it as a snack, in salads, or blended into smoothies. Now that we've explored our top 10 low-calorie foods, let's talk about how to incorporate them into your daily meals. The key is to create balanced plates that include a variety of these foods. Start your day with a smoothie packed with spinach, Greek yogurt, and a handful of berries. For lunch, whip up a salad with cucumbers, tomatoes, and grilled chicken breast. And for dinner, try a stir-fry with broccoli, zucchini, and lentils. But here's the secret tip that can truly elevate your weight loss journey. Mindful eating. Take the time to savor each bite, listen to your body's hunger cues, and enjoy the flavors of your food. This practice not only enhances your eating experience, but also helps you recognize when you're full, preventing overeating. So, there you have it. A comprehensive guide to the top 10 low-calorie foods for weight loss, along with tips on how to incorporate them into your daily routine. Remember, the journey to a healthier you is not just about the numbers on the scale. It's about nourishing your body and embracing a lifestyle that makes you feel vibrant and alive. Let's embark on this journey together, one delicious bite at a time.